Hi, it's Matt with PanicExitPro.com, the leading authority on DIY installations of panic exit bars and door entry systems. Today we're talking about our heavy-duty electromagnetic door lock. This door lock is capable of 1,200 pounds of holding force. It's a selectable 12 or 24 volt unit. It is 500 milliamps at 12 volts DC, 250 milliamps at 24 volt DC. The way an electromagnetic door lock works is the magnetic lock goes on the header of the door frame. The armature plate goes on the door itself. When these are matched up and touching, they have to be touching, and you have electricity applied to the lock, this will hold together with magnetic force of 1,200 pounds. All electromagnetic door locks are inherently fail-safe. Fail-safe means when there's no power that the door will be open. However, we sell battery backup systems, so you can use this on an exterior door without having to be concerned about the door becoming unlocked during a power outage. Inside, you will notice there are 4 wires going to the magnet. This is why it could be used 12 or 24 volts. These jumpers make these wires connect either in parallel or in series. If you're doing 12 volt, they'll be in parallel. If you're doing 24 volt, they will be in series by positioning these jumpers different. Your incoming power will go to these terminals. This access control device does not have a timed relay built into it. The relay is a momentary relay, which means it should either be paired with a lock that has a timed release built into it. This would be indicated by a nucleus icon on our website, or paired up with one of these timers. This timer is a very simplistic timer. It has a 1 to 4 second release time and is typically only used for one lock on one door with up to 2 access control devices. This relay is a more robust system. It can have many access control devices hooked up to it and multiple locks hooked up to it. And it can release for a longer period of time, anywhere in the seconds range all the way up to 15 minutes. These are also listed on the website. You'll see the nucleus icon. The main thing to keep in mind with door access control systems when you're purchasing through PanicExitPro.com is you will need a device that has the nucleus icon in the cart somewhere with your kit. Either the lock will have to have it on there, the entry system product has to have it on there, or you have to have one of these timed relays that will have that nucleus icon on it. But that will be the controls of the system for how long the door will release for. This lock can mount on the header above the door or even on the side of the door. The standard electromagnetic door lock is set up for a out-swinging door. The electromagnetic lock hangs from the top of the door frame. The armature goes on the rear face of the door. They are positioned as such, so as the door comes closed, the armature, with the door in a closed position, will be up against the magnetic lock. For an in-swinging door, it is necessary to purchase additional brackets. These are called Z-brackets. The magnetic lock is actually going to be positioned above the door frame, above the path of the swinging door. It's going to be facing the inside of the building. The Z-bracket will be mounted to the rear face of the door, sticking up above the door. The top of the door would be right here. The armature would mount to the Z-bracket. As the door comes closed, the armature pairs up with the electromagnetic lock. At Panic Exit Pro, you probably noticed that we have just about everything you need to enter or exit your building. From our panic bars, to our keypads, to our proximity card readers, our emergency access control, our wireless, touchless devices, and even our simple push buttons. But what you might not have noticed is our expert support. 7 days a week we have people standing by that can help you wire anything together, install anything on your doors, or troubleshoot applications that you might not know what to buy and how to buy it for your application. We're here to help. Give us a call and we'll be happy to do so.